All right, y'all. If y'all have a '07 to 2014 GMC Yukon, Yukon XL, Tahoe, Suburban, whatever, there is no reason why your windshield wiper, your rear wiper, should not be replaced. We're going to take care of this in about a minute. You don't need to replace the whole arm. What you need to do is that I'll have a link in the description below for this windshield wiper. I paid under $10 for it. Very important, you take this piece off right here, because if you leave this on, you won't be wiping nothing. You need to pay close attention to this step. This step is very important. You want to lift the windshield wiper up so that it comes out of the little piece right there. Just lift it up. You want to pull backwards on the arm, push forward on the wiper. Boom. Just like that. Comes right off. Always compare the new wiper to the old wiper. They look almost identical, except this one is actually going to wipe. And then you got that little notch right there. And that little notch is where the little round part is going to go. You want to take that, you want to put it in there, snap right into place. Boom. Put that bad boy on there, good to go. Now let's see how it cleans this dirty back window. It's always important that you test what you just did. I think they did a pretty good job. I think that did a pretty good job. So that's telling me that that new wiper is swiping and wiping. Very simple. Do it yourself. I will have a link in the description below for this wiper, and it fits right on there. No problem.